Okay, I'm gonna try to make this quick because my battery's almost dead. But it is July 21st, Thursday at 6:45. One of my favorite times to come to the garden as the shadows get long. So let's take a look at what's happening. Potatoes are, I think they're getting to the end of their life, and that maybe I'll be harvesting soon. So that's exciting. Roses, you know, I had like heaps and heaps of blooms and they all faded. So I'm a little sad, but there's still plenty of blooms to enjoy. So I'll get over it. Same thing on this one. Still a lot to enjoy. Zinnias are doing awesome. So many different kinds. Really pretty. I'm a fan of them now. Very nice. Chamomile also putting out really nice flowers. Anything else? Oh yeah, this random oregano plant volunteered. Amazing. And then here's some dahlias. The dahlias are just starting to bloom. Let me give you a closer look. Pretty cool. Huh? And there are more blossoms happening. Okay, the onions are getting nice and bulbous. Let's see if I can get a good one. Oh yeah, that's good. Nice and bulbous. Some of them, most of the red onions, have bolted. And I just want to see how the flowers are. I think it would be interesting to make a recipe from the flowers. Peppers, looking a lot healthier. Love this hot weather. Enjoying it. These are the lychee tomatoes. Bunch of fruit, actually. Still haven't tasted any of them. None of them are ripe. I'm watering the kale right now. Here are the tomatoes. And got lots of tomatoes on the vine, ready to go. Tomatoes continue all along the pole. Lots to look forward to. And then the marigolds, they're pretty cool. I like them a lot. They all did really well, especially this variety. Nice, big, bushy, and a ton of blossoms. They're great. And then these are much different. These are like very tall. I should not have planted them so close together. It's basically a forest of marigolds, but very pretty blooms and big, and they're supposed to get bigger. So that's nice. Cucumbers over here, they're still getting together, still doing their thing. Over there, got a huge Swiss chard plant, a couple actually, that I need to eat or something. And I planted beets and beans here. Nothing's popping up yet, but I'm waiting. My 1,500-year-old cave beans are doing great, getting very tall. And I checked today, and I got beans. Look at that. Beans are happening. The berry patch, I've collected most of the berries, but there's still a bunch that I need to grab before all the birds get it. Everything seems to be doing well. This goji berry really rallied. Proud of it. I'm proud of you. More marigolds. These are fine. And then this walking stick kale, which has gotten really big and has huge leaves. I just harvested some. Don't know what to make with it. I hear pesto is the right thing to do. And then these beans are a ridiculous disappointment in every way. And I hope they hear me saying that and understand it, because I am disappointed. Let's see what else. Down here, the raspberries I did not take great care of, but they did make a few raspberries. This daisy bush is doing well, and so are the grapes. And the grapes, they're getting, let's see if I can find, there we go. They're starting to get a little juicy. just a little bit bigger. So that's that. And my favorite little sign. Oh yeah, exactly when I'm filming. Great. There we go.